Hi, I'm Beverly Brooks with some tips to avoid getting the swine flu. The most important thing is to wash your hands often. Avoid touching your mouth and nose. Germs spread that way. Try to avoid contact with people who are sick. Keep your immune system strong by getting plenty of sleep, drinking water, and eating healthy. Avoid touching surfaces that may be contaminated. The virus can live more than 2 hours on surfaces like doorknobs.
These health tips brought to you by HealthSpring.